What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm reviewing Google NotebookLM and why it might be one of the best AI tools available right now for students. Google NotebookLM is designed to help you study smarter, not harder. Instead of just answering random questions, it works directly with your own materials like class notes, PDFs, articles, and documents. You upload your sources and the AI helps you understand them. What really makes NotebookLM stand out is how focused it is on learning. You can ask it to summarize long readings, explain difficult concepts in simple terms, create study guides, or even generate practice questions, all based only on the content you provided. That means it stays accurate and relevant to what you're actually studying. For students, this is huge. It's great for exam prep, research papers, and organizing messy notes into something clear and structured. It feels less like cheating and more like having a smart study partner that helps you understand the material better. The interface is clean and simple, and because it's built by Google, it integrates well with tools like Google Docs. You don't need any technical skills to use it. The main limitation is that it depends entirely on the quality of the sources you upload. If your notes are incomplete or unclear, the results won't be perfect. But when you give it good material, it works extremely well. Overall, Google NotebookLM is one of the most useful AI tools for students right now. If you want help studying, organizing information, and actually understanding your coursework, this tool is absolutely worth using. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.